Okay, so I want to be teaching you about gerunds and gerundives in Latin. So,
Those words not spelled right.
okay, look.
You cannot remember
This
this.
is the most important part.
I'm faker. What is his
Oh,
lesson
look,
plan?
listen. In gerunds, okay, they're nouns, and gerundives are adjectives. Those are the main differences between the two, and we use them in English all the time, like running and rolling, strolling. Okay, and then
Sardines is not a verb. I'm sorry, buddy.
okay, this is just
Beans,
pretend this.
faking is not a word in the English language.
Okay, and then we have gerundives, which are
Ranting.
adjectives. Okay, and then they're most commonly translated as to be verbed. So like these examples here are very exemplary. Okay, so a subsection or like a part of gerundives in Latin is called a passive perishrastic. You should remember that. It's really important. Okay, so it shows purpose, like the phrase "canis delendet," right? It's a phrase. It's a really cool phrase. So canis is dog, right? And then delenda is just to be destroyed, and it means
Destroy the
the dog
dog.
to be
Destroy the
destroyed.
dog.
Yeah,
Destroy the
yeah.
dog.
And then it's translated as the dog must be destroyed.
What's the
So,
beat of the dog?
okay, it's very cool. And to form a gerund or genitive, you do the same thing for both of them. So if you have your infinitive, right, your ambulare, and then the gerund would be ambulanda because you take off the vowel plus the re, and then you add nd to the end. Then you add your personal endings, which can be like a, us, I, and other stuff. So are you ready for your quiz?
I think.
Okay, so what is a passive perishrastic?
Um. Can you scroll up a bit? I didn't really get most of that. I'm gonna be honest. You're talking
Okay,
really
okay,
fast.
so here, I'll give you some study time before you quiz you again, because you failed your first quiz, you gotta retake.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready for the quiz.
Okay, so what's a passive perishrastic?
It's it shows purpose.
Anything else?
It comes from gerundives.
I see. Do you know a literal translation of gerund?
A literal translation.
Okay, okay, I phrased it badly. Let me rephrase it. Look at so this is okay.
Scrolling, eating, insing, winning, and faking.
Okay, those are pretty good examples, I have to say. So, can you give an example of a passive perishrastic?
Um, to be destroyed.
Cool. And do you know how else to translate it? Like another way to translate it?
Um, no, I don't think so.
Um,
You didn't really teach me that. I'm gonna be honest.
okay, so we're gonna revisit that later. And what's the main difference between a gerund and a gerundive?
The gerund is like a verb, and then like the act taking an action, and then the gerundive is like to be inted or whatever. So it's like happening. Look, man, I'm trying my best here.
Okay, okay. We're gonna revisit that later. So can you tell me which one of these is a gerund?
Hold on, I'm gonna tap it. One's a gerund. It's the first one, right?
Okay, we're gonna revisit it later.
First one or the last one?
Okay, we're gonna revisit this later. And then,
Okay.
can you form a gerundive given the verb? Yeah, I'll type it out. You just tell us the letters.
Okay. Uh. It's so hard.
Okay, let's revisit the learning material. Okay, so
Like, can you zoom out a bit of the learn? Can you zoom out some of the learning material? Okay, give me a second. Actually, can you zoom back in? Okay. I can't really read it. I
what?
can see all of the learning material. Okay.
So here, I'll highlight the main difference in color. You're welcome.
Okay, I'm ready.
Do you see this? Do you see this important paragraph? That was
Yes.
alright, alright. And do you see how to form it now?
Yes.
Alright, that's pretty cool. So, I'll give you an example of a personal ending. Okay, okay. Are you ready for the quiz again? Your retake?
Yeah, I'm ready for my like third retake.
Okay, what's a passive periphrastic?
It comes from gerundives and it shows purpose.
Cool. So, what's the main difference?
Between what?
A gerund and a gerundive.
A gerund is a noun and a gerundive is an adjective.
Cool. And now, which one of these is a gerund or gerundive?
The last one.
Nice. Okay. Okay. Now, can you form this gerund given a verb ambulare?
Ambulande.
Good job.
No, it was supposed to be E.
E.
No, not AE, just ambulande.
Come on, man. You're so close. Like,
That was a joke.
please. Okay, we're done. Thank you for learning. Bye.
Learning. Like, I'm gonna be honest, yeah.
What? Huh?
Man.
Look, man. Look, man.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait, actually, did I giga troll that?